PT tricks in 10 minutes. I'll be discussing speaking, writing, reading, listening tips that can actually help you to achieve 90 on 90. Hi everyone, welcome to English Wise. The very first thing is speaking. So for speaking, read aloud. Read aloud what you are supposed to do. In read aloud, we have to make sure that if there is a difficult word in there, you will be getting a paragraph, you have to read it aloud. If any of the word is difficult, you can definitely skip that, and you should, at least you have to make sure that whenever we are doing these read alouds, if there is any of the difficult word, we always skip that word and try to maintain a very good fluency. Focus on these two things and you will get a very good score. Another, if aiming for 50 or 65, there is a problem in pronunciation or there are hesitations and other things, use one line strategy. Yes, aiming for 50 or 65, not for 79 plus. If aiming for 50 or 65, go for one line strategy. One line strategy means that given read aloud, you have to read just first 10 to 12 words properly, but we have to make sure that there are no pauses or hesitations. I have seen students saying that we did one line strategy but did not get the score in the exam. Why? Because they might have done some errors in that, like hesitations, pauses, breaks, unable to pronounce any word. But if you are doing these mistakes, then no score will be there. One line strategy has to be accurate. Next, repeat sentences. In repeat sentences, we have to make sure that we at least speak 60 to 70% of the content properly. If you are speaking 60 to 70% of the content properly, then there are full points. More focus, if you are not able to catch 60 to 70%, then more focused on first 4-5 words and fluency wins. We have to make sure that we focus on the first 4-5 words properly and speak them in a very good flow. If this works, definitely you are going to get a good score. So we have to make sure we follow these tricks for repeat sentences. Do not try to cram the thing. Just focus on first 4-5 words and speak it in a flow. If you are not able to catch first 4-5 words, then speak what you got. So whatever words you are able to catch, speak them. Third, describe image. Describe image. Now you know human expert is checking the things. So we have to make sure we are not using pre-memorized templates. We have to make sure that we speak the relevant content as to the image. Whatsoever there in the image, the main trends, highest, lowest points, everything. We have to explain that. You can use the structure. You can watch the describe image video in detail. Click on the link and you will get a good explanation. Work on fluency in your entire speaking section. We have to make sure we are not taking any kind of pauses. The more fluent you are, more points will be there. Yes, retell lecture. Retell lecture, we have to make sure now we speak at least 5 to 6 phrases. If we are not speaking the phrases, then there will be no points to us. So we have to make sure we go for phrases, use the structure, no pre-memorized templates. So be fluent in that and no breaks and pauses. Answer short question. In answer short question, always try that if you know the answer, speak it. If you don't, then speak any word from the question. So these are the strategies for your speaking section. You can use these tips and definitely you'll see 90 highlighting in your speaking section. Written text, writing part. Summarize written text. We have to make sure we pick the lines with more of the nouns, names, or any particular thing discussing. Do not write the lines with more of adjective, qualities, verbs, action words. No, and use the connectors wisely. I have seen students, they randomly write however, moreover, furthermore. But see, what are the uses of that? You can watch the video here of grammar video plus the written text explanation writing video in detail and practice accordingly. So use the connectors wisely. Every connector has a proper thing to explain. However is for conclusion, therefore is a result. So we have to make sure we use the connectors wisely. Essay. use the templates that allows you to write more content. If you are not writing the template with more content, you are just still writing the keywords, there will be no score. So we have to make sure that we use the templates wisely. No keywords to be written, please. Grammar and spellings are more important in this. Focus on the spellings, proofread, because if more than two spellings are incorrect, there will be a zero. So we have to make sure we focus more on the spellings, and the writing, the content you are writing, grammar has to be accurate. If there is a grammar error, score is gone. So focus. Reading, MCQs if you are doing, don't focus much on these. Just select C and move to next. You don't need to go for the entire reading and stuff. Just select option C and move to next. Reading blanks and reading writing blanks. We have to make sure that we focus more on grammar. Context understanding is very, very important. Collocations you need to know, and plus you should know elimination method. So focus on grammar, know what are verbs, adjectives, nouns. I have made a video on this. Click on the link and watch this reading video. That will be really helpful for you. Second thing, whenever you are reading the passage, the paragraph, make sure you understand what the paragraph is trying to say. What's not even the complete, the line where the blank is, focus on that particular line, what is trying to convey. Focus on collocation, some of the words which are always used together, like I say, used together, come up, go in, something like these words which are always used together. This is going to help you. Elimination method, focus on that. Try to put each and every word in the blank, and which word makes a very good sense to your line, that's your answer. So focus more on elimination method. If you see that this particular blank requires adjective, then just see from the options which are the adjectives, then put one adjective, another adjective, which adjective makes sense, that's your answer. So focus on this thing. Reorder paragraphs, always focus on making the pairs. If you're still working like you have to go for the sequence, don't go for that. For reorder paragraphs, we always focus on making the pairs. The more pairs are correct, more points will be there, because marks are according to pairs in this. Listening is important. Summarize a spoken text. Use the template again that allows you to add good content. More phrases, no keywords please. And spellings and grammar are again important. Wherever you are typing, make sure you always cross check the thing. Proofreading and writing is much important. So if you go for it, then only you will be able to cross check your errors and edit them. Fill in the blanks. Check your grammar in the filling the blanks. I know students do not do that. So what we can do, whenever you are filling up the word, see if there is has and then you are filling just a simple verb. No, has always has a present perfect form. It has to be ed form or verb's third form. Check the grammar. After filling up the complete listening blank, make sure you cross check it, you proofread it, then only you will be able to check. Write from dictation. Write extra words with each words. Write the spellings. Don't worry about the correct sequence. There is no correct sequence required, but words should be there. Do not write so many words. If you are unsure, just write with that only. And writing so many unnecessary words can definitely affect your score. Just focus. If there are 2 to 3 words you are confused, then you can write. If you are confused with any article, preposition, you can also add on that. Yes. So these are the short tricks that can actually help you to achieve a very good score. Focus and follow the speaking, writing, listening, reading tips, and for detailed explanation, watch the videos, the course videos that will actually help you to get the score. Thank you so much everyone. We'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.